Hello everyone. Today we are going to make an LED pattern control system using Arduino Uno, multiple LEDs and a push button. This project allows us to create the different LED patterns, and every time we press the button, the pattern changes automatically. In this project, we use the following components: Arduino Uno, 3 LEDs, blue, red and green, a push button, breadboard, some jumper wires and USB cable to upload the code. These components help us to create and control different LED patterns. Now we start building the circuit. Connect the 5-volt pin from the Arduino to the positive rail of the breadboard and connect GND pin to the negative rail. Now we will connect the LEDs. We will connect the shorter leg of red LED directly to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now we will connect the green LED. Now we will connect the blue LED. The positive terminal of the LED will be connected to the digital pin of Arduino Uno. Connect positive terminal of red LED on digital pin 8, positive terminal of green LED on digital pin 9, and positive terminal of blue LED on digital pin 10. Now we will connect the push button. Connect one side of the push button to digital pin 11 and the other side of the push button to the negative rail of breadboard. Now we will connect Arduino Uno to the laptop to upload the code.
Okay, so we have completed our code. The next thing we will be doing is connecting our Arduino Uno to the computer to our USB. And when you hear this sound, so it means the USB cable is okay and the Arduino Uno is connected. If you don't hear this sound, change your USB cable until you hear this sound. Okay, the next thing we will be doing is selecting our board. So we have connected Arduino Uno. So we will be going into the tools section, then into the boards, and then in boards we will be going in the Arduino AVR boards. And Arduino Uno will be on the top second list of this list. So we will be selecting this. Okay. So next thing we will be doing is we will be selecting our COM port. Right now we can only see Arduino Uno at COM port 18. So I'll be selecting this. Okay, so we have selected our board and our COM port. Next thing we will be doing is our board before uploading. So right now it's compiling. So it has been compiled. The next thing we will be doing is click on upload. And the code will be compiled again, and then it will be uploaded to the Arduino Uno. So it's being uploaded and done. So let's test our output.
Now the system is ready. First button press, LEDs light one by one from left to right. Second button press, LEDs light one by one from right to left. Third button press, all LEDs blink together. Fourth button press, all LEDs turn off. Every button press changes the LED pattern. This project is used in decorative lighting, advertising displays, control panels, and learning Arduino programming concepts. Thank you and happy learning.